houseplants really boost your mood and improve your health? Welcome to the green world of houseplants, where these leafy companions do more than just brighten your space. Research shows that having plants around can reduce stress, spark creativity, and enhance your overall well-being. But that's not all. Houseplants also purify your indoor air by filtering toxins and releasing oxygen, creating a healthier living environment. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just getting started, let's explore how these green wonders can turn your home into a serene, thriving oasis. The mental health benefits of houseplants. Houseplants are more than just decorative elements. They can significantly enhance your mental well-being. Nurturing plants has a calming effect, helping to reduce stress levels and promote relaxation. Studies have shown that interacting with greenery can lead to improved mood and increased productivity, making your home or workspace feel more inviting. Additionally, houseplants can serve as emotional companions, providing a sense of purpose and connection. Whether you're tending to a succulent or a fern, consider inviting these green friends into your life for a boost in happiness and tranquility. Your mental health will thank you. Improving air quality naturally. Houseplants are not just beautiful, they also play a vital role in purifying the air around us. Plants like the spider plant and peace lily are renowned for their air purifying qualities, effectively filtering out harmful toxins such as formaldehyde and benzene. The science behind this process is fascinating. Plants absorb these pollutants through their leaves and roots, converting them into clean oxygen. This natural filtration system is essential for maintaining a healthy indoor environment, as clean air contributes to better respiratory health and overall well-being. By adding houseplants to your space, you're investing in a healthier, happier life. Choosing the right houseplants. Selecting the perfect houseplants can be a rewarding experience, especially if you choose varieties that suit your environment. For beginners, low-maintenance options like the snake plant and pothos are ideal, as they thrive in various conditions and require minimal care. When choosing plants, consider their light and water requirements. Some plants prefer bright, indirect light, while others can tolerate low light conditions. Additionally, think about your living space and lifestyle. If you travel often or have a busy schedule, opt for resilient plants that can withstand occasional neglect. With the right choices, you can create a thriving indoor garden that fits your life. Caring for your houseplants. Proper care is essential for keeping your houseplants healthy and thriving. Start with watering. Most plants prefer to dry out slightly between waterings, so check the soil moisture before adding more. Fertilizing every few months can also promote optimal growth, but be sure to use a balanced fertilizer suitable for your specific plants. Keep an eye out for common pests like spider mites and aphids. Natural remedies such as neem oil can help manage these issues without harsh chemicals. Lastly, take time to observe your plants regularly. Adjusting care based on their needs will ensure they flourish in your home. Creating a zen space with houseplants. Designing a calming environment with houseplants can transform your space into a serene oasis. Start by arranging plants in clusters to create visual interest and promote tranquility. Consider using varying heights and textures for added depth. Placement is crucial. Position your plants near natural light sources while avoiding direct sunlight that can scorch leaves. Incorporate plants like bamboo or peace lilies, known for their calming presence. Most importantly, choose plants that resonate with you personally, as this connection enhances the overall atmosphere. By thoughtfully selecting and arranging your greenery, you can cultivate a peaceful retreat right in your home. Thanks for exploring the amazing benefits of houseplants with us. From reducing stress and boosting your mood to purifying the air, these green companions are a simple yet powerful way to enhance your well-being. If you're ready to start or expand your plant collection, subscribe for more tips on plant care and healthy living. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and share it with friends who could use a little greenery in their lives. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment with your favorite houseplant or any plant care tips you swear by. Check out our other videos for more inspiration on creating a healthier, happier home. Let's grow together, one houseplant at a time.